Okay, so this time, let us proceed by the definition of terms. First one is what we call the experiment. Okay, when we say experiment, an activity involving chance that can have different result. It is a process that, when you perform, the result is exactly one of many observations. If each repetition of an experiment is called a trial. Kapag yung experiment ay paulit-ulit mong ginawa, ang tawag na daw po doon ay trial. Example of experiment or, okay, first, tossing or flipping a coin. That is experiment. Or when you toss a coin, how many possible outcomes do we have? Two, either head or tail. Do you understand? Yes. That is an experiment, flipping or tossing a coin. Another is rolling a die. When we say die, anak, isa lang yung die na gamit. Kapag dice, plural na po iyon, dalawang dice. D-I-C-E. Kapag isa lang, singular siya ng dice. D-I-E. Hindi. Next, another example of experiment is picking a deck of cards. So, yung mamimili kayo using 52 playing cards. And we have also choosing a ball from a box. Or pwede rin anak yung ruleta. So, experiment pa rin yun. Okay, yung mga sa fishbowl din, yung mga mamimili kayo, also an experiment. Okay, so next, the next term that related by probability is the outcome. When we say outcome, the result of an experiment. Meaning, you need to do the experiment para malaman mo yung outcome. Okay, example, if you flip a coin, what do you think will be the possible outcome? Either head or tail. That is the possible outcome when you flip a coin. O ano pa po? O head or tail po iyan ha. O next, when you roll a die. O what are the possible outcome? O how many possible outcome when you roll a die? 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the outcome. Question. The third one is what we call the sample space. So when we say sample space, boys, can you read? Is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. It is denoted by okay, so when we say anak, sample space, it is the set of all possible outcomes. And then sa mathematics anak, pag set, gumagamit na po tayo ng braces or bracket. And then don't forget to write down the denoted by capital letter S. So ito po yan. Then susulat mo sa loob ng braces lahat ng mga possible outcome. For example, when you roll a die or when you toss a coin or flip a coin, what are the possible outcome? Head or tail. So para maging sample space anak, ito po yung gagawin mo. So capital letter S is equal to, tapos braces, head and tail. So we can read this as, the elements of set S are head and tail. Okay, another. When you roll a die once, how many possible outcomes do we have? 6. So, pag isusulat mo si sample space, capital letter S, then equals, so open braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close braces. So, we can read this as, the elements of set S are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the sample space. Question. Then now, let us proceed by the sample point. When we say sample point, is an individual outcome. Okay, individual outcome in the sample space. Meaning, doon tayo anak mamimili sa sample space na binigay natin. It is one of the possible outcome. O for example, when you roll a die once, what is the sample point? Pag nag-roll daw tayo ng die, ano yung mga sample space natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, mamimili ka lang daw dyan anak ng isa. At iyon yung sample point. Question po. Do you understand? Pag sinabing sample space, may braces na makikita. Pag sinabing sample point, yung mga elements na nasa loob niyan, mamimili ka lang po ng isa. Okay. Next, the last one is what we call the event. So when we say event, girls, can you read? It is a subset of a sample space. It is not necessary to be an actual outcome of the experiment. Okay, when we say event class, dito, nakabase pa rin ang sagot natin anak sa sample space or sa mga possible outcome. Pero ang sabi daw dyan, it is a subset of a sample space. Meaning, ang sagot ay makikita pa rin sa loob ng sample space. Okay, it is not necessary the actual outcome of the experiment. Meaning, merong category na ibibigay. Okay, para makuha natin yung experiment. O for example, when I roll a die, what is the probability of getting 3? Getting a number 3. O, nag-roll ako ng die. Ano daw yung probability na makakakuha ako ng number 3? Ilan yung 3 doon? Isa lang. Over, ilan lahat yung outcome. Meaning, ito lang yung chance ko. 1/6. That is the event. O, another. O, when I toss a coin, what is the probability of getting tail? 1/2. O, ito yung chance. 1/2. Okay. This is the formula in finding the event. Okay, the probability of an event, so we can read this as, the probability of an event is equal to the number of event over the number of sample space.